Old Friends, New Friends by Cynthia Platt. Scorpion and Mouse had been best friends since they could remember. "We'll be friends forever," said Scorpion. "Forever and ever," said Mouse. "Let's slide down the dune," Scorpion exclaimed. "You read my mind," replied Mouse. "It's one of my favorite things to do." "Ready to race to the top of the cactus?" called Mouse. "I'm going to get there first this time," replied Scorpion. Scorpion didn't reach the top first, but she didn't mind. Sometimes it got so hot that they didn't want to do anything at all, but they still did it together. Then one day Toad arrived. "It's nice to meet you," Mouse said. "Let's be friends," Scorpion cheered. "Awesome, I have so many ideas for games," Toad exclaimed. "I'm having so much fun. Now want to make sand art?" asked Toad. Scorpion couldn't wait to try something new. Sand art sounded amazing. She and Toad were having a great time together playing so many games. But where was Mouse? Scorpion hadn't seen her all day. Scorpion scurried up to the cactus to check on Mouse. "Don't you want to play with Toad and me?" Scorpion asked. "I do want to play with you and Toad," Mouse told her, "but I don't think I fit in with Toad's new games." Scorpion didn't realize that Mouse felt that way. "I like playing the new games, but I miss playing with you," she said. "Let's play the old games and we can show you how to play the new." "You mean we can still slide down the dune?" Mouse asked. "Yes, we can do that together," Scorpion said. "Do you want to try sliding down the dune?" Mouse asked Toad. "That sounds really fun," Toad replied. Toad kept getting stuck in the sand, but he didn't mind. Afterward, they were tired, so they sat in the shade to make some sand art. Two old friends and their new friend, too. On Vacation by Cynthia Platt. There were so many things Wombat was supposed to do every day, but Wombat was tired of doing what she's supposed to do. "Don't forget to brush your teeth," her dad called. Wombat sighed. "Have you eaten your veggies?" Wombat's dad asked. But Wombat didn't want to eat any veggies. "Do you know what time it is?" her dad asked her. Wombat just grumbled. "What was that?" her dad asked. "Bedtime," Wombat replied. The next morning, Wombat knew what she had to do. "I need a vacation from all the stuff I'm supposed to do," she told her dad. He said. "Maybe you should give it a try." Wombat couldn't wait. Wombat didn't eat a single veggie all day. She didn't brush her teeth or wash her face. Bedtime came and went, but Wombat didn't care. "This is the best vacation ever," Wombat declared. The next morning, Wombat felt weird. Her teeth were kind of yucky, her belly felt a little funny. She was very, very tired. Wombat knew what she had to do. She brushed her teeth. She ate her veggies right away. She even made plans to go to bed a little early that night. "Are you still on vacation?" Wombat's dad asked. "No, I'm back," she replied. Vacation was fun, but she's glad she's home again.